Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to handle text boxes in Selenium using Java. So I'm going to use the google.com as an example because the search bar there is a text box here. Okay, so to handle this text box, so what are the actions we used to do? Specifically, we used to enter the text and append the text, clear the text and get the value from the text boxes. Right? Let us understand one by one. I will go to the Eclipse. Here, first I just wanted to launch the Chrome browser. Okay, so Chrome, I'm just using a Chrome driver class. Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. So this is Chrome driver is one of the class. So you can import the packages from the Selenium. So now I just wanted to maximize the window. So for that we can say driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So now we maximize the window to make sure all the elements are properly visible. So now next step we need to navigate to the Google page, right? So for that we can say driver dot, we'll call the method get method. So I'll just copy the URL from here. Okay, just paste it. Now we are navigate to this will open the Google homepage, okay, where we all work in with the text search box, that is the text box. So now we need to locate the text box first. So let's go here, right click from here, inspect the element. Now here this is the element, whatever it is highlighting. So now here we have one of the locator name is there, right? We can use the name. Okay, we locate the search bar using the locator strategy. We have a by name is there, we can use the name by name. So now let us see driver dot find element by dot we have a name is there. So I'm going to use name chip, right? So now I just wanted to store this element. So the element, you can store it in web element. You can use any variable name. Okay, web element also you need to import the packages. We can import the packages. So now we locate the search bar using the locator. Okay, strategy what we use the by name and we are passing the value. Okay, since the search box in Google has the name attribute, so we are using the name. Now we have to enter into the text. So for that we use we call the variable. Right, this is the variable. So we have to call the variable first dot. We have to call the method send keys. Here we need to pass the value. So I can say IST time now. Okay, this is the text I want to enter into the search box. Okay, to enter the text, we use the send keys method. Okay, here I am typing IST type now. Okay, into the search box. Okay, let us run this much, how this is working. See, we entering the value. So it's working fine. Now, so let's add here what we have done, entering the text. Now I want to get the text. Okay, I want to get the text from the text box. So for that we can say search dot get attribute. Right, get attribute. Here we need to say value. Okay, this will going to return you the string value. Okay, you can store it string text equal to. Right, you can print the value. Now I'm just text. Okay, so now I'm just using text. Okay, you can add text also. Here, text colon will add. Okay, now this is what we are doing. We are get the text from the text box. Okay, let us run this. We enter the value. See now, it is entering IST time now. Okay, now to get the value from the text box, we use the get attribute. Okay, if you try get text method, one of the method get text is there. So if you try get text method, it won't work for input field because text boxes are store their value in the value attribute only, not an inner text. So we have a get text method also. So don't get confused. We have to use the get attribute for get the value from the text box. Okay. So next we are, if suppose if I want to add some more value into the text box. Okay, I want to append the text. Okay. So for append the text, what we have to do, we need to use the same send keys only. Search dot send keys. Okay, you can add a value here, maybe in 10. Okay. So now again you can add a value. You can, if you want to print the value, you can print. So I'll just print the value. Search. Okay, here I'm just storing the value and printing. Now directly I'm trying to print the value. Get attribute. Okay, here I'm passing value. So now it's going to print this value and this value also. That is a new value now. So let's run this. Right, if you want to add a more text without clearing the previous one, just we have to add a append. See now it's getting added. IST time now in Delhi. So it's getting added all the values. See now it's getting printed. So this is the way we have to append the text. Okay, if you are using the append, right? If you want to use the append the keyword, then you have to use the send keys method only. Okay, if you want to print and confirm, just we are using the, again we are calling the get attribute method and passing the value. So now if suppose I want to clear the text, okay, in some cases we used to see there will be some text, you need to clear the text, then we have to enter the text. So for clear the text, so what we have to do, we need to say search dot, we have a method called clear. So this will going to clear your text. Okay. So if you want to remove everything from the text box, use the clear method. Okay. This wipe the input completely. Okay. Giving you the empty field. Now if you want to enter the new value. Okay. Now I am clear all the values from here text box. Now I want to enter the new value. So for that we can say search dot. Again you can use the send keys. Here you can say UTC time now. Okay. Now we can type the fresh value. So now here I am entering the UTC time now. Okay, if you want to print again, you can print the value. So now let me copy this, add it again. Okay, so let's print the last value. Okay, last value and we'll confirm what it is getting added in the text box. See now, first it is getting added the IST time now, then append the value, then clear the text and add a new text over here. Okay, so this is the way we have to handle the text boxes. Let us quickly recap what we have learned so far. So we use the send keys to enter or append the text. Okay, enter the text or append the text. What we have to do? We need to use the send keys method. We have a get attribute method we use to get the text from the input box. To remove the existing text, we use the method called clear. Okay, and that's how we have to handle the text boxes in Selenium Java. And entering, appending, clearing, and retrieving the value step by step we learned. So practice this with the different sites to get comfortable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.